gosh! Wala na mali ako ng order. Sabihan ko si Erwan. Apparently, one of the merchants made a mistake with my order. I don't want my boss to freak out. So, I'm gonna make basil pesto and we're gonna put it in little cute jars. Let's go! So, this is the amount of ingredients that I could find sa pantry namin. I have here some pili nuts. We're gonna toast this one. And I'm gonna call in some help. Ano bang umuulan tayo ng basil? Since we're using pili nuts, carry rin na natin ang pagka-Philippines! Ganon. Queso de bola sa fridge. We're gonna freshly grate some queso de bola. Let's add some olive oil first. Some garlic. Cheese. Give it a try. Needs a bit of salt and pepper. Let's ball it up. When life throws you basil, make basil pesto.
Thank you!